Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's changing the world of art and creativity as we know it. How AI is revolutionizing graphic design. From generating complex visuals in seconds to streamlining workflows, AI is making waves in ways we never imagined. So, let's explore how artificial intelligence is transforming the world of graphic design and what it means for designers today. Let's get started. The journey of AI in graphic design started with simple automation. Think of basic tasks like resizing images or applying filters. But now, AI has evolved into a sophisticated tool capable of creating intricate designs, generating ideas, and even understanding artistic styles. AI isn't just a fancy tool, it's becoming a collaborator. Tools like Adobe's Sensei and Canva's Magic Resize are already utilizing AI to save time and enhance creativity. But let's talk about how it's actually happening. One of the most groundbreaking changes AI brings is generative design. Programs like DALL-E and Midjourney can create original images based on text descriptions. Want a futuristic cityscape with a retro twist? Just type it in, and AI will generate a visual that matches your vision in seconds. And it's not just about creating random images. These tools can learn from the styles and preferences you input, producing art that aligns with your brand or personal aesthetic. It's like having a supercharged assistant who knows exactly what you need. Another amazing development is style transfer and manipulation. With tools like DeepArt and ArtBreeder, designers can take an existing image and transform it with different artistic styles, anything from Van Gogh to futuristic cyberpunk. These tools are empowering designers to experiment more freely and push the boundaries of creativity without the constraints of traditional methods. So why should designers embrace AI? For one, speed and efficiency. AI can handle repetitive tasks like cropping, color correction, and even layout adjustments, freeing up designers to focus on more creative aspects of their work. And then there's the creativity boost. With AI handling the grunt work, designers have more time to brainstorm, experiment, and innovate. Plus, AI tools often suggest fresh ideas or variations that a human designer might not consider, sparking new inspiration. And let's not forget cost-effectiveness. For startups and small businesses, hiring a full-time designer or outsourcing work can be expensive. AI tools offer a way to create professional-level designs without breaking the bank. But it's not all smooth sailing. There are some challenges we need to address too. One major concern is authenticity. If AI can generate art, what does that mean for originality and artistic integrity? And what about job displacement? There's a fear that as AI becomes more advanced, the demand for human designers might decrease. However, many experts believe that AI will actually create new opportunities, allowing designers to focus on higher-level creative tasks. Finally, we have to consider bias in AI algorithms. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on, which means biased data can lead to biased designs. This is an area where continuous human oversight is crucial. Looking ahead, the future of AI in graphic design is exciting. We could see AI tools that not only assist, but also co-create in real time, merging the best of human creativity with machine precision. Imagine AI-driven design tools that understand emotional context, cultural nuances, and personal taste at a deeper level. The possibilities are endless. AI is revolutionizing graphic design in ways we could never have imagined. It's not about replacing designers, but enhancing their capabilities, allowing them to explore new creative horizons. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, now is the perfect time to embrace these new tools and see where they can take your creativity. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. What do you think about AI in graphic design? Let us know in the comments below.